Students, in today's class we'll be learning about one of the type of resistance welding in which butt joints are produced. This is resistance percussion welding. In this type of welding processes, the work pieces which are to be joined are joined. They make butt joint. Right? Earlier, which the processes which we have learned: resistance spot welding, resistance seam welding, and resistance projection welding. They were all used to make lap joint. But in this resistance percussion welding, we make the butt joint. So in this welding setup, there are two setups. There are in this setup, one is a stationary one. One of the workpiece is held in stationary one, and the another one is the moving contact. This is held under spring pressure, and when the spring latch is unlocked, this workpiece rapidly moves towards the stationary workpiece. And here in the circuit you can see there is a capacitor, and here it is AC supply is converted into DC supply by the presence of a rectifier. And here there is a switch which operates during operation. When the switch is in on position and this spring which is unlatched in this moving contact platen, then the workpiece rapidly moves towards the stationary workpiece, and because of the asperities at the interface of these surfaces, as soon as the contact is made or contact is about to be made between these two parts, the very high current or high charge is discharged between the two surfaces, and therefore instantaneously arcing and melting of the interface takes place, and because of the rapid movement and impact of this workpiece over the stationary one, the instant melting at the interface and joining takes place. Right? So this was all about the principle. How now let us see the steps how we will do this operation. First, workpieces ends which are to be joined are cleaned from any dust, dirt or grease, and the workpieces are clamped into machine or fixture. And the DC voltage which is produced by the rectifier and it is stored in the capacitor is applied when the spring is unlatched of this moving fixture, and the workpiece is when is about to come in contact with the stationary workpiece, and therefore the current jumps from one workpiece to another and arcing takes place, and instantaneously melting of the edges which are to be joined takes place, and because of the movement of the workpiece the plastic deformation and joining takes place. And after that, by elapsing certain time, the workpieces are unclamped and the joint is produced. Now the advantage of this process is that it is a very fast method of welding, and in this process we can join similar as well as dissimilar metals also. In this process, heat treated and cold work metals can also be welded. This process can only join pieces in butt welded joints only. This process is used for welding of copper, nickel alloys and medium and low carbon steels. This process can be used for joining similar and dissimilar metals, and it is used generally in telephone industry for connecting reeled components to the terminal. So this was one of the type of resistance welding which is used to make butt joints. Thank you.